Start with a slip knot and chain 12. Three single crochets in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2, this one. One single crochet in each and every stitch until the last stitch. Three single crochets in the last stitch. Now turn your work and start working on the opposite side. One single crochet in each and every stitch. And take this yarn along with the working yarn. Make the last stitch. And make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next on, start with chain 1. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now make one single crochet in each and every stitch. Start the next stitch in the same stitch. Now once you reach the end, do not slip stitch. You'll be working in continuous rounds. Now make one single crochet in each and every stitch until it's around 3 to 4 inches in size. Now fold the piece into half and gauge the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Count back 2 stitches and mark it with a stitch marker. And count back 2 stitches from here, 1 and 2, and mark it with the stitch marker. And in the same way, mark the stitches on the opposite side. Now make one single crochet in each stitch until this mark stitch. Chain 12. And join it with a single crochet into the mark stitch. Now continue with one single crochet in each stitch until the next mark stitch. Chain 12. And join it with a single crochet. Continue with one single crochet. This is how it will look. The last one single crochet in each and every stitch. Make 12 single crochets into this handle. Continue with one single crochet in each stitch until the next handle. Twelve single crochets into this loop. Continue with one single crochet until the end. Make a slip stitch into the last stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.